pray to the Lord, 'cause ain't nowhere safe in the storm. What you taking me for? I'm playing my part in the cause. The pain was keeping me under, but they gave me my first thunder. So when I rain, you feel me coming, just know there'll never be another. But I pray to the Lord, 'cause ain't nowhere safe in the storm. What you taking me for? I'm playing my part in the cause. The pain, it was keeping me under, but it gave me my first for thunder. So when I rain, you feel me coming, just know there'll never be another. Get your money, son. I don't trust no one. Get that money, son. And don't trust no one. It comes from my heart, it's a target, I know, but I'm only gonna reap what I sow. So, after the highs and the lows, will you stay or leave? Please let me know. It comes from my heart, it's a target, I know, but I'm only gonna reap what I sow. So, after the highs and the lows, will you stay or leave? Please let me know. Whoa, this life is a lie, but there's no lies when I'm live on a mic. Like, I might as well try. So if I die trying, that's like suicide. And I'll switch sides, I'd rather be beside guys that standing near me with pride. Right, I never shy away from the fight. I'm hard to define, but I'm harder to find. I had a hard life, now I'm harder than life. Lonely nights, I hope I'm right. I lie awake and idolize my fears. Today is the day, but tomorrow is near. And I've come so far from drinking beer in my caravan. Didn't give a damn, couldn't call myself a man. And now I'm looking back and forgetting how proud I am of me and what I've accomplished without an accomplice. But shit, I'm honored and you call me a friend. So many before, I said the same thing and now I never see them again. But they say the ends just stick by my side, and I promise I'll always be down to ride. Got rid of the bricks like a porcupine. My circle's so small, man, it's borderline a pixel. I just ain't got the time to be fucking with your lame ass. I'm trying to grind 24/7, 365.